guarantee you'd be able to manage and, including the question of salaries, to a point where we run away from what we have witnessed in other counties as we stand right now, of course, looming, unrest, of course, the patients not enjoying the best of services at the level of the hospitals because the doctors or the medics are on strike.
Yeah. I'll just go back to the point that we are making sure that we use what we have effectively. And so, first of all, just making sure that, one, we're not spending on unnecessary things. So we've cut down quite a bit of spending on unnecessary things. Secondly, of course, as I've said, just making sure that the staff are actually paid on time. And one of the ways that we can do this is actually just through our revenue collection. And that's why you'll see this drive for the Unified Business Permit by the governor, just to make sure that it's easy for you to pay the taxes, and we will use those taxes efficiently. So as a county, we're raising enough money to actually cater for the needs that we have at the moment. And then, of course, we're making efficient use of our partners and donors. So while it is people might say it's dying out, but we're just finding ways that we tap into what is actually available to us. But not only that, we make sure that the partners actually align to our priorities. So we make sure that we understand our needs, we put together our needs assessments, we make sure that we only work with people who are within our priority areas and not just working with anybody. And so when it's targeted in that sense, and we make efficient use of our resources, then then we get a lot more support. And then, of course, venturing into private-public partnerships. Moving forward, you'll see us doing quite a bit of PPPs with different governments and different people to develop new facilities. Maybe to even, for example, we have the Mama Rachel Ruto Hospital in Mutwini that is in the pipeline, which is going to be an 11-story building that will be able to do it as a PPP. So you see, exploring different models of financing as well is part of the solution.
Quickly, as